Driving down the road, going for a little putt on the bike here. What do I spy? Oh, Lincoln Continental Mark III. Black interior. Interior looks pretty dang nice. Real nice. Looks like somebody's buffed the hood a couple times. You can see where they're starting to buff through it. Been buffed a few times. I wonder if that's the original paint on it. Nice top. Yeah, it's nice. That is nice. Anyway, I figured I'd stop and show yous, you know, because I like my Lincolns. Yeah, I wonder if this is original paint on here. Could be. Could be. Anyway, I'm not sure exactly what year this is. Let's see what the taillight says, if it says anything. 1970, I believe. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Anyway, let's go for a ride, shall we? Yeah, that's a nice Lincoln right there. Needs a little work, but I'd drive it just like it is. Actually, let's go this way because the sun's shining that way. You won't be able to see nothing. Money just to piss away, I'd buy one of them new Corvettes. I don't know, or I'd buy one of them new Camaros. I don't know, man. If I had the money, I'd like to buy one of each, man, because they're so nice. Even the new Dodges, the Hellcats. Oh my goodness. Give me one of each, and I'll be happy. If I ever won the lottery, I'm buying a Mustang. I'm buying a Camaro. I'm buying a Hellcat, I'm buying a Corvette, I'm buying all that stuff. I'm buying it all. Oh, look at that Mustang right there, he's got a scoop on it. He's got a scoop on it, it must be fast. What do you say? Oh, it sounds good. Uh-oh, it's the coppers. It's the coppers. It's the coppers. Uh-oh, it's the coppers. Mr. Copper. Canine. It's Mr. Canine, Copper.